The Ayers campus of Gadsden State Community College is thriving and expanding. At the Ayers campus, students gain the knowledge, skills, and confidence to pursue their goals, whether that means entering the workforce, transferring to a four-year university, or making a difference in the healthcare field. Ayers is where opportunity begins. The Ayers campus is home to some of the region's most advanced workforce programs. Here, students receive hands-on training in modern labs that mirror real-world industry settings, guided by experienced instructors who prepare graduates for high-demand careers. Every class is built on practical learning and real-world application, giving students the confidence to step directly into the workforce. Ayers also offers a strong range of academic programs that provide multiple pathways to success. Whether students plan to continue their education at a four-year university or begin their careers right after graduation, the foundation they receive here equips them for long-term achievement. Students also benefit from support services designed to help them thrive both inside and outside the classroom. The Ayers campus is also a leader in health sciences education. Students train in modern facilities that prepare them for the fast-paced healthcare environment. With a focus on hands-on experience and professional readiness, graduates leave Ayers ready to make a meaningful impact in their communities. Education at Gadsden State is for everyone, whether you're just getting started, changing careers, or coming back to finish what you began. Adult education services at Gadsden State provide a variety of opportunities for adult learners. Students can take free courses in GED preparation, English literacy, non-traditional high school diploma options, and career pathway training. At the heart of campus is the newly renovated Chiha Center, a modern multi-purpose facility that supports classes, events, and community partnerships. It represents Gadsden State's commitment to the region and its investment in the future of our students and community. With opportunities in workforce, academics, and health sciences, the Ayers campus is more than a place to learn. It's a hub for opportunity and growth in Calhoun County and beyond. Start your future today at Gadsden State's Ayers campus, where opportunity begins.